What does making mistakes and comparing yourself to others have in common? We're going to draw a horse together, so pause this video and go grab some paper and a pencil. Great, you got a pencil and paper. Now, pause this video anytime you need to get caught up with me.
Oh, mine doesn't look good. Oh, looks like a stick.
What are you saying to yourself right now? If you don't regularly draw horses, your brain might need a lot of repetitions before it gets it. I gotta tell you a secret. I drew this horse 23 times before I was confident enough to draw it for you. There's often an emotion and a need behind negative self-talk. Let's rewind.
I'm frustrated I can't get it right. I feel bad when I make mistakes. Can you go like a little slower?
And better yet, change your self-talk to yet.
We haven't learned how to draw this yet.
When times are hard, I tell myself I'll be stronger having dealt with this situation.
I tell myself when I think things are rough, just tell myself you can do it.
When times are hard, like running up this hill, I always say to myself, one more step and I'm almost there.
When times get bad, I tell myself that the good will overcome the bad.
When things get tough, I tell myself I can handle this.
When times are hard, I tell myself that everything's going to be okay.